We have our own theme builder for Elementor, which is free. Using this feature, you can design your own single post and keep the post page's design separate from other formats. Here, you can add the post title, post feature image, post info, post content, author meta, post navigation, and post comments. Before you can use the feature, make sure the free versions of Elementor and Happy Adons are installed and turned on. Let's see how to design an individual post page with the theme builder feature of Happy Adons. But before you go, do make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell icon to get time-to-time updates. Let's get started. Click on the Theme Builder option under the Happy Adons tab. Then move on to the Single tab. Next, click on the Add New button and set the page title. And then click on the Create Template. You'll be heading to the blank editing canvas of Elementor. Now step by step, add all the single post widgets here. Add the post feature image widget here and then customize the widget a bit. Next, add the post title widget and customize it a bit. After that, add the post info under the feature image section and customize its design where required. You can also add more info items from here. Now, add the main section, post content after the info section. Next, add the author meta and customize its settings. Similarly, add post navigation and check the available options. And lastly, add the post comment widget. Here, you can set the source from here. You can keep it the current post or you can choose the custom post. If you choose a custom post, your designed comment section will appear on that post. Now click on the Publish button. Here you need to add the condition. Don't forget to choose the post. And then click on the Save and Close button. Preview it to see whether it looks good or not. Now open the main post to see whether all the settings are working fine or not. Yes, it seems everything seems fine. So, this is how you can use the Theme Builder feature to create a separate post page for your Elementor site. Finally, remember to subscribe and follow our social channels for more information and regular tutorial videos like this one. Stay tuned!